Here you are with one of the world's best chocolate in the world.
Hold on a second. What was that noise? I sure
Whoa, Achi chudu.
It looks like there's like
Definitely not my
some.
stomach.
Achi
It
chudu.
looks weird.
ఉండు చూడు ఇది పైన చాక్లెట్ పౌడర్ నాన్న.
Oh, that's why it looks like that. No. So this
Here you
is the box. It's
It's just me and Jimmy. Can we come in?
మెల్లిగా చప్పలించాలి
good?
మెల్లిగా.
is this bulla?
See, just like I
Yeah,
told you.
chocolate.
It's
Really?
probably nothing.
Is this like Hershey's?
నోట్లో వేసుకోరా అన్నాడు.
Go! Stop!
Jimmy, wait!
Put it in your mouth and close it. Don't chew.
Ghost, major spooky time. We need to hide. My trusty blanket will protect us.
Wait, hold on. Are we sure that there's a ghost out there?
It tastes
Could've been
weird.
anything. What if it was an animal inside the barn?
Are your ears working? That was definitely a ghost. I can still hear the sound it
The
made.
best possible chocolate there is.
Yikes.
I don't know. They're better chocolates
Can't
than
hide under the trusty blankie forever.
Yeah, I like
There's
this.
scooters by the barn. We're gonna have to go out there eventually and get them.
We're
అచ్చి
gonna
బాబు
have to go
తింటున్నావా
as
బంగారు
in
It's sour.
No, thank you. I am quite content.
Sour enough, not to like
Very
ruin
much.
it, but like
Ghosts can have my scoop.
sour enough to make it good.